The DJI Mini? The Autel Robotics or GoolRC? Perhaps the Ruko or the EXO X7? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 drones with cameras available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best drones with cameras. The 5th product on this list is the GoolRC SJRC F11. For travelers and hobbyists who want some fantastic shots from unique perspectives, the GoolRC drone is the best way to go. For starters, this drone has a lot of functions, including a critical takeoff 2-axis stabilized gimbal and electronic image stabilization. It also has a 26-minute flying time so that you can enjoy the amazing views that will be perfect for your next adventure blog. Let's talk about the camera. It uses the advanced 4K 2-axis stabilized camera with the panoramic perspective provided by the enhanced camera's 100-degree field of view lens, allowing you to capture every precious moment. Its high-quality real-time video is ensured via 5G Wi-Fi transmission, making it perfect for selfies. With 4K cameras and a sturdy gimbal, the drone can record motion-free video and take stunning photographs from the air. It also has a GPS-assisted flight feature that gives you precise information about your drone's location. Its built-in return-to-home functionality makes flying the drone safer. When the drone is flying outside its range, its battery is running low, or the signal is poor, it will automatically return to its home location. This drone is definitely a must-have for your next backpacking adventure. Its pros are, it has follow me and orbit mode, so it automatically follows and captures you wherever you move. It has a travel-friendly folding design, making it easier to carry, and it weighs only 1.24 pounds, so bringing it on your next trip won't be a burden. However, its charging time is 4 hours, so you'll want to buy extra batteries to get the most out of this unit. The GoolRC SJRC F11 is a sleekly made unit that will definitely give you smooth and almost movie-like aerials for your next video blog. Up next in 4th place is the EXO X7 Ranger Plus. EXO is well known for producing high-end drones that use AI technology. Now, more technology usually means more potential challenges for users. But that's not what EXO believes. Rather than focusing on advanced users, they create their drones for those who are just starting out. One thing to love about this drone is that its cameras have either 9 or 12 megapixel resolution for cinematic images, as well as 2K to 4K video capture capability. What's more is that you have a variety of options depending on what you want to do with your drone camera. Another factor to consider when buying a drone is its stability. This device has a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes your quadcopter in midair while flying, so you never have to worry about its safety. If that isn't enough, it is outfitted with brushless, solid motors and download sensors to ensure stability in windy conditions. Concerned about portability? Don't worry, because the EXO X7 Ranger Plus is very lightweight and portable. It can be easily folded and packed into carrying cases for transportation. This is the perfect device for those new to drones wanting to take stunning photos while out and about. Its pros are, it has a half-mile range and a 26-mile-per-hour top speed. It comes with a free obstacle avoidance module that prevents crashes, and it has extremely strong wind resistance that's perfect for any weather conditions. However, due to its size, this drone requires FAA registration. The EXO X7 Ranger Plus is an impressive device you can use to get movie-like shots on your next hiking trip. Still haven't found a drone with a camera that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Ruko F11GIM2. This next unit comes with a camera that is well known for providing clear and stable images and videos, thanks to its advanced 4K resolution with gimbals and electronic stabilization technique. Not only that, the Ruko has several other specifications and features, including smooth 5G video transmission and a very fun-to-use drone. This device is also considered as one of the best choices at a reasonable price due to its super smart and high-tech battery. Speaking of its battery life, Ruko has 2 batteries that provide the drone with a long flight duration. Each battery provides 28 minutes of flight time, making it more practical for your adventures. Moreover, the Ruko's battery is very safe, and the power status can be easily monitored in real time. Its adapter charger has a 5-volt 3-amp output currency for easy charging as well. To top it off, this unit performs very stably in the air even at speed, thanks to its powerful yet low-noise brushless motor. In this manner, the video or images captured by the drone stay focused, and your footprints are clearly visible. Its pros are, it has real-time HD image transition saved on an SD card in 4K video format. It can take off at a max altitude of 393 feet, meaning you can enjoy the views from the highest locations, and it comes with multiple flight modes that can be easily switched whenever you want. However, it does not come with obstacle avoidance, so choosing the perfect location is crucial. The Ruko F11GIM2 is an excellent choice for those who want to squeeze the most out of every drone session. The second product on this list is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Imagine taking lots of high-quality shots of your favorite destination using a drone camera that's almost as light as a bag of chips. You don't believe it? Well then, meet the high and mighty DJI Mini 3 Pro, one of the smallest drones with a camera on the market. DJI's popular mini drone series is taken to new heights with the tiny and lightweight 3 Pro. Most countries and regions do not require registration for this unit, as it weighs less than half a pound. That, combined with its foldable and compact design, make it ideal for taking on any adventure. The fact that DJI has managed to include a tri-directional obstacle avoidance system inside such a small drone is impressive, but it's far from the only excellent feature. The Mini 3 Pro sensor has been upgraded to a 1 by 1.3-inch CMOS chip. The lens's maximum aperture has been increased, and the video capabilities have been vastly improved over the previous iteration. Moreover, the camera can be rotated 90 degrees to capture stills and video in both landscape and portrait formats. Even better, if you forget to bring a memory card, the Mini 3 Pro has 1.2 gigabytes of internal storage, allowing you to still take plenty of photos and record videos. Lastly, it can provide a very long and pleasant airtime. You can fly for up to 34 minutes, allowing you to capture and explore more of your surroundings. Its pros are, it weighs very little, allowing you to pack light and enjoy the creative experience. It offers an extensive range of smart features, including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse and quick transfer, and it has true vertical shooting for portrait shots, which is ideal for social media. However, sometimes the remote has to be calibrated multiple times, which gets tiresome. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is made for amateur photographers and videographers, as well as people who want to try shooting from more interesting and creative angles without having to worry about rules or qualifications for flying a drone. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top drone with the camera is the Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus. Now, let's talk about this drone that got to the top of our list. The Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus is undeniably the best drone with the camera with all its top-grade features. You can definitely fly safely and freely with this awesome drone. It is equipped with 3-way obstacle avoidance sensors, located forward, backward, and downward, as well as binocular vision sensors, to ensure your safety while flying even in difficult environments. Furthermore, the Autel Drone EVO Nano Plus can withstand level 5 winds and take off at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters, with a flight time of 28 minutes, ensuring that your footage remains stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Do you want to make an amazing video? The new Autel Sky app transforms you into a professional video editor with a single tap. Flick, rocket, fade away, and orbit. With this device, you can discover and create new film possibilities every time you use it. Another thing to love about this drone is its ability to offer quick and accurate focus. You can easily adjust the angle of the gimbal with the remote controller or the Autel Sky app, which has a range of -90 to 0 degrees. Its HDR technology automatically merges multiple shots, increasing the dynamic range of images without the need for post-processing. That means more nuanced details in both the highlights and shadows for richer, deeper images. There's no doubt that this drone will be your best companion on your next trip. Its pros are, it has amazing aperture for low light shooting, its camera is equipped with a 16x digital zoom function, making it perfect for capturing the beauty of nature while avoiding disturbing local wildlife. It weighs less than half a pound, making it very portable, and it shoots phenomenal 4K quality videos with its 50 megapixel lens for an unbeatable experience. However, the controller is quite small, which can lead you to accidentally press the wrong buttons. The Autel EVO Nano Plus is a great model if you want a small, pocket-sized drone that shoots great 4K video and aerial photos in almost any light. It's perfect for amateur filmmakers and a definite must-have for traveling. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.